Hello children, as we have seen that we have done two exercises of lesson number 5, the Southern Plateaus, that is exercise A, choose the correct option, and today we have done exercise B, match the following columns. Now children, one more exercise is left of this chapter, and that is exercise C, write tree for true and F for false statements. That means true and false. Okay children, now get ready, take pens in your hand and start filling it in your books. First of all, you will fill in your books, and then you have to copy in your SST classwork copies. Clear beta? Now exercise C, write this with black pen. Write T for true and F for the false statements. Number 1. Statements you will write with blue, and true and false you will write with black pen. Clear? Number 1. Tamil Nadu is the largest producer of tobacco in India. Listen the sentence carefully. Tamil Nadu is the largest producer of tobacco in India. This statement is false, children. Tamil Nadu is not the largest producer of tobacco in India. Children, correct answer is Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. It is the largest producer of tobacco in India. Okay, children. So the right answer is Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. Maharashtra lies to the southeast of Karnataka. The statement is false. This statement is false because Maharashtra lies in northwest of Karnataka. Clear, children? Now third statement. Hyderabad is the capital of Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. You know, children, this answer is correct. Yes, so Hyderabad is the capital of Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. So this statement is true. Now sentence number 4. The Bhilai steel plant is in Karnataka. Bhilai steel plant is in Karnataka. Children, this statement is false. Okay, children, the Bhilai steel plant is in Karnataka. This statement is false. Now, Tirupati is in Andhra Pradesh. Tirupati is in Andhra Pradesh. This statement is correct. Children, see it carefully and then copy the statement. Copy the statement with blue pen and answer with black. Number 6. Indore and Gwalior are important cities of Madhya Pradesh. Yes, this statement is also true, as Indore and Gwalior, they are the important cities of Madhya Pradesh. Clear? Now number 7. The main occupation of people of Chhattisgarh is fishing. This statement is false. The main occupation of people of Chhattisgarh is fishing. This statement is false because farming is the main occupation of the people of Chhattisgarh. Clear? They do farming. Main occupation is farming. So that is why this statement is wrong. Now number 8. Raipur is the capital of Chhattisgarh. Okay, this statement is correct, that Raipur is the capital of Chhattisgarh. Okay, statement is true. Now see once again these 8 statements so that you can check it properly. First of all, you will write the statement with black pen, then statements heading with black and statements with blue, answers with black. Like number 1, Tamil Nadu is the largest producer of tobacco in India. Statement is false. Number 2, Maharashtra lies to the southeast of Karnataka. Statement is false. See the spellings carefully, children. Hyderabad is the capital of Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. Full stop. This statement is true. Clear? Now, statement number 4. The Bhilai steel plant is in Karnataka. Full stop. This statement is true. Clear? No. This statement is false. This is the number 4th I am reading. The Bhilai steel plant is in Karnataka. Statement is false. Now, number 5. Tirupati is in Andhra Pradesh. Tirupati is in Andhra Pradesh. Statement is true. Clear? Number 6. Indore and Gwalior are important cities of Madhya Pradesh. Indore and Gwalior are important cities of Madhya Pradesh. Statement is true. Clear? Now, sentence number 7. The main occupation of people of Chhattisgarh is fishing. Statement is false. The main occupation of people of Chhattisgarh is fishing. Statement is false. Now, 8th and the last statement is Raipur is the capital of Chhattisgarh. Statement is true. Raipur is the capital of Chhattisgarh. Statement is true. Now see carefully, children. See the hard spellings and copy it properly, like Tamil Nadu, tobacco, TOBACCO, Tamil Nadu, see the space, Maharashtra, clear, Karnataka, Hyderabad, Andhra Pradesh and Telangana, clear, Bhilai steel plant, Karnataka, Tirupati, Andhra Pradesh, Indore and Gwalior, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, occupation, Raipur and Chhattisgarh. See the difficult spellings carefully, beta, and write it properly in your copies. Leave one line in between it, leave one finger gap, and then write it down. Again, I am telling you, heading with black, statements with blue, and answers with black. Clear, beta? I hope you all are fine at home. Stay at home, stay safe, and keep yourself healthy. Thank you, children.